Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Let's start off with some company news. KBan Hardware has expanded to the corporate area. The company's CEO, KBan Hardware, says the investment, valued at more than 20 million Jamaican dollars, represents a partnership with the hardware chain and its product partners. The new location at Village Plaza, which opened on Friday, is the company's first premium product showroom. KBan operates 2 hardwares in Linstead and 2 stores in Westmoreland. The company's CEO, KBan Hardware, says the new location was set up in conjunction with some suppliers.
We've actually spent upwards of approximately $150,000 into this location because we've totally fitted the entire space with all our luxury products. From the flooring to the lighting, they're all our products, as well as the display units that have gone in here are quite a sizable investment because they had to be fabricated through a partnership process and then brought into Jamaica specifically for the experience, the immersive experience that we've created here.
He says this is a major feat considering how the company began more than 30 years ago.
So KBan Hardware started with my parents, Mr. Kiran Banhan and Maxine Banhan. They started the business by removing the seats of the back of their vehicle and buying some products, driving around the island and wholesaling those products. They've always had a strong entrepreneurial spirit, and it led them to have the desire to create their physical location to retail from.
KBan now has about 150 full-time employees and an additional 50 contract workers. Mr. Banhan says the Village Plaza location links well with the company's strategy.
This showroom is actually a concept that is also tied into what we call click and mortar. So the e-commerce space is very important to us, but we know that for the consumer, the touch and feel and connection is also very important for them. So we created this space for the consumer to come in and to be able to have an experience and to talk with our customer service representatives, to have that warmth, that KBan warmth that we love to curate in that space. And then they're able to continue their transactions and their shopping experiences digitally through our platform.
Let's head to the foreign exchange market now. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.26. $118.19 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $197.82, while it's costing $173.91 for the euro. Meanwhile, the JSE index gained 1,479 points, while the junior market index lost 11 points. Among the 46 winners were Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, Productive Business Solutions 10.5% perpetual cumulative redeemable shares, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Siboney Group and Carib Cement. The 43 decliners include ISP Finance Services, Key Insurance, Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, General Accident Insurance Company Jamaica, and Trans-Jamaican Highway 8% shares. Now 18 stocks traded firm. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.